Nice. I don't know what's up with this trout though. Has he got a disease? He's been in a battle. Look at that. Maybe got bit? I don't know. You got a disease, buddy? Hopefully not. You're decent.
Well, it's 38 degrees, but time to suit up and get out there. 75 degrees yesterday. But that's the Midwest in the spring. Let's go out and try to catch some fish. Gotta check my syrup. I got a bird drinking my sap right now. Look at that little guy sitting out there. That's alright. Have a little tree juice, buddy. Get your morning started right. It's probably like their coffee if you think about it. We drink coffee and they drink sugar water from a tree. Makes sense. It makes sense.
Alright, we're gonna try a new spot on the same river. A spot I've actually never fished before. Big pasture area. Keys in the bag, buddy. Gotta remind myself. Locked myself up before. Because I'm so smart. Trout routes, you are a savior when it comes to finding public access. So thank you, thank you. We'll go streamer, nympher, dry flies today, unfortunately. Looks like some nymphy water. Brought the nymph rig with today. I don't want a streamer fish, but I'm afraid I'm becoming a streamer junkie. Can't be doing that. This looks good. Let's see if I remember how to nymph. Good run here. Give it a try. Looks like somebody's over here too. Maybe they didn't hit this though, their car's a little further up. I'm back to the streamer, can't help myself. Oh, back to the muddler minnow. Let her sink too much. That's not a fish. Wish it was. No. Decisions to be made. Little slump buster, bunny leech, whatever you want to call it. Green. It's overcast today, so keeping the colors pretty dark. I'm bummed about losing that muddler minnow. Gonna have to order a few more of those. Definitely seen a fish move there. Ooh, I love that. This is a nice streamer. You can kind of just dead drift it too. Kind of like that. There's a good chance there's a big fish hanging out under that junk. I'm gonna toss my streamer in there. Gonna kind of do a little backwards work here. A little more. So sick. I love when you call your shots. Call him a shot. Let's go. Just a little guy. But he destroyed that bunny leech. I feel cool. What's up, guys? Back out, 38 degrees. Going with both today. Got the Echo on the streamer and the little black label NXT with a double nymph rig. So far, the streamer's working great. Bunny leech is hammering fish. I want to catch one nymphing though, really bad. We'll see.
Victor Scott II spent his off seasons working.
Bringing two fly rods with you is always nice, but you start getting onto some fish and you run away. You forget you put the other one down.
0-2 ready.
Got lucky there.
Taking off the plate away, and the count is 1-2.
So he was
good to see you again.
At getting his average up.
Well,
it wasn't like he was.
All right.
He worked at the alley,
We're okay.
but then you could,
I need like an electric scooter or a bike or a dirt bike or something. I always put in walk miles. Then you gotta walk back to your car. It's fun, but it'd be nice to just cruise back. So if anyone's selling one or knows anyone who has one, let me know. I need a little something. Otherwise, just a long journey back to the Jeep. Hey ho ho. No cars. Don't hit me. This has been the weapon today. A little slump buster, bunny leech, really whatever you want to call it, olive. I like the black head on it. They're going absolute bananas for this thing. Like, I'll be stripping back and I'll be coming out of the water and they'll jump out of the water for it. Crazy. Aggressive fish today. Sweet. Yeah, I'd like to fish here, please. You gonna let me fish here or? No? Okay. Looks like a great pasture, but these guys are protecting it. Beautiful, beautiful. Gang, protecting the pasture. We got some trout rising right here. Smacking up on the water. Oh, there you go. I run up to the car, truck, Jeep. Get my dry fly rod. Come on. Oh, let's go. I gotta go. Did not expect that. I went down there and trout were rising. Awesome. You as well. Take care. All right, just chit-chatting with the guy there. But yeah, anyways, BWO time. get a little glue on here, a little bug juice. As you can see, I am very excited to get in on a dry fly. A little action here. You wait all year for this. Alright, we got some juice on it. We'll shake her down later after a couple casts. But yeah, they're just like steady rising out there. They look hungry. Let's get out there. We gotta do this right. So they're rising up there. I'm probably gonna have to get in the water at some point here. Oh boy. This is not going to be easy. Yeah, nope. I'm about at my limit here. Yes. Yes. A dry fly. A dry fly bite. BWO for the win. And he got off. There you have it. That's a good one. Nice. Nice. We are so back. Let's go, guys. On the BWO. Wow. Who knew? It's a good fish. Good long fish. I am so pumped up to be doing this on the BWO. BWO schmacker. Alright, bud. Go tell your friends. Just earlier today I called myself a streamer junkie. Wow. Catch fish on a streamer. Later in the day, catch fish on a BWO. That's just how we roll. Head up. Oh. BWO. Let's go, guys. have a freaking day. What's up, guys? First hatch of the year, first real hatch of the year. There was just a beautiful BWO hatch happening right here. The fish were in an absolute frenzy. They were biting everywhere, fish jumping all around me. Ended up catching 3, just a blast. But now it's starting to rain again. So I'm gonna sit and wait a little bit because they've turned off because of the rain. But as we all know, after the rain, the BWOs hatch. We know that. So I'm gonna wait it out, but I'm freezing. This entire run was just blowing up with fish about 10 minutes ago. Now it's pretty quiet. Rain's picked up. Fish have kind of gone inactive. That's all right. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit here. See if this rain stops, and then they'll go into another frenzy. Unbelievable, guys. I'm so happy that I got to witness my first hatch of the year. Rain got worse. I'm going home. Secured the bag. Chicken tendies, fries, and toast. That'll warm a guy up. Happy tastes good. I agree. Thanks for reminding me. It's a good day. It was a good day, guys. Pulled in 6 fish. Can't complain. I'm hungry, though. Let's eat. Let's get home first. 37 degrees, rain. But we had a BWO hatch. Believe it. There we go. Home just in time for a little March Madness. Doing some home renos, so the TV's up there. Got my PJs on, blanket. That is a good way to end my Saturday. Catch a few fish. Hang out. Hi, baby. You're such a good girl. Time to get cozy and veg out.